Hey there, health professionals! Welcome to Clinical Pharmacy Lectures channel today. I want to talk about something incredibly impactful and often overlooked in patient care, the role of clinical pharmacists. Clinical pharmacists aren't just pill counters or medication dispensers. They are integral to patient care, especially when it comes to patient education sessions. These sessions are vital for helping patients understand their medications, the importance of adherence, and managing side effects. Now let's dive into the basics. In a typical patient education session, a clinical pharmacist covers a range of topics. First and foremost, we discuss the purpose of each medication. Why is the patient taking it? How does it work? These questions are crucial for patient understanding and engagement. Next, we address the correct dosage and timing. It's all about ensuring patients take their medications correctly and consistently. Then, we delve into potential side effects and interactions. Patients need to know what to expect and how to handle any adverse reactions. Finally, we talk about lifestyle modifications that can enhance the effectiveness of their treatment. This holistic approach ensures patients are well-informed and empowered to take control of their health. But what types of patients do we encounter? The answer is a wide variety. From the newly diagnosed patient who's overwhelmed and scared, to the chronic disease patient who's been managing their condition for years. Each patient presents unique challenges and needs. One of the most challenging groups we face is the non-adherent patients. These are individuals who, for various reasons, don't follow their prescribed medication regimen. It could be due to forgetfulness, side effects, or even a lack of understanding about the importance of adherence. Here, a clinical pharmacist plays a pivotal role. Through personalized education and regular follow-ups, we can address these barriers and motivate patients to stick to their treatment plans. Then, there are patients who don't trust clinical pharmacists and prefer to stick with their doctors only. Building trust is essential here. We must demonstrate our expertise, show empathy, and work collaboratively with the healthcare team to ensure consistent messaging. Over time, patients will see the value we bring to their healthcare journey. Our work is supported by accredited medical references, such as the American Society of Health System Pharmacists, ASHP, guidelines, and the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics. These resources provide evidence-based practices to ensure we're delivering the highest standard of care. In summary, clinical pharmacists transform patient care by providing comprehensive education, addressing adherence issues, and building trust with patients. We're not just a part of the healthcare team, we're essential to it. By understanding and supporting our role, we can work together to improve patient outcomes and enhance the quality of care. Thanks for watching, and remember, the role of a clinical pharmacist is invaluable in transforming patient care. See you next time.